Hello, Sunnyside and Madison Place and Arbor Creek. This is Mr. Evans, and I'm going to take you on a little tour of the band room. I'm standing out in the hallway, and I'm wearing my special holiday hat. And I'm going to take you guys on a little trip through the band room, kind of see what you can expect for band and what to look forward to, and we can have some questions and stuff while we're getting ready. I'm sending the special song Band Room Boogie for all of you to work on, so you can work on that over the holidays, but I thought you'd like to see what the band room looks like and what we do over here at Chisholm Trail for when you guys are in 6th grade. So let's go on a little tour. All right, this is the entryway to the band room. Gonna come by and we have a special band room display case in the hallway. It's got some Harry Potter Legos and a neat little carousel that's playing and some Wallace and Gromit stuff. Really kind of fun as our display as you first enter the band room. There's all kinds of different things on the wall and posters and things. The main doors to the band room are right here. There's a place where you can get papers and things. The band room has the symbols of the drum and fife, those 2 yellow flags, because they've won the House Cup. And everything in the band room has been turned yellow for this month because they're the winners. Inside, we now have the band fireplace. And in fact, there goes the Hogwarts Express going across the top. In the front of the band room here, as I showed you, there's the fireplace. And there's all those lockers I was telling you about for the big instruments like baritones and French horns and some of the big instruments. In the back, you'll see a practice room. That practice room is really special because it holds the tubas, so the tubas don't have to take their big tubas home each day. There's one here that they can use, and they can keep a tuba at home, and it hangs up in there. Here is all the percussion. This is really special, the things you don't have over at the elementary. We have big old timpani drums and a bass drum, and on the wall, those black bags hang all the sticks. These are the chimes, the great big chimes the percussion can play. There's suspended cymbal, bongos, wind chimes. There's a special pew for the percussion to get to sit on. There's their snare drums. There's a cabinet with cymbals and bells. And if you look, those are pictures of all the drawers. There's all kinds of equipment in those drawers for the percussion to play. Over here is the keyboard and the drum set for the jazz band. Over here is storage cabinets and all kinds of things for drumsticks. This is a vending machine. This vending machine has all of the reeds for the different instruments. If you need to get a reed, you can come and get it from the vending machine. If you look on this side of the room, we have another train. This is the big band wagon, and there he goes zipping on by. It goes all the way across a bridge and all the way across the band room, all over the place. These are the bells and xylophones and special instruments the percussion get to play. Back here is another practice room or storage room, and this big room is where we keep the big marching tubas and the bass drums and the marching drums and all the equipment we play for those parades when you see Old Settlers Day parade. And over here is where we keep our uniforms and our equipment and all the special things we need for parades and concerts and activities. I'm gonna come back into the band room. If you look across the band room and look way up on the ceiling, you can see those big yellow flags because the drum and fife, as I told you, are the winning house, so their flags are up in the air. There's all the chairs and stands. And you can see we've got lots and lots of students in band. There's 60 or 70 chairs across there with all kinds of chairs and stands and equipment. And we fill this room a lot. This is my storage over here, and this is my office. I have an old grandfather clock and Mickey Mouse throwing snowballs and all kinds of fun things on the top of my desk. And I have a chandelier and fancy pictures and things like this, this is where I work. This is the corner with the storage. Back here, we have some Wallace and Gromit stuff. And this is where the percussion hide all their sticks and things back in this cabinet. Back here is my workroom where all of the equipment goes, the music and the things to fix the instruments and all of the parts and stuff I do to fix broken instruments and things and mutes and etc. Last, I'm going to go back by the front of the room. This is where I sit all the time, and I have a computer and I have a mixer and a soundboard and an MP3 player and a little miniature trumpet that I use to play, and there's a big screen that I project the music up on top, and we have huge speakers that play the loud music we play along with. I told you that on the first day of school we're going to have a special sorting hat ceremony, so the sorting hat
sits up here waiting for your turn to get sorted into your different houses. This is an old 1800s organ that we used to play some fun music on and do some special activities on. And there's a tub with all kinds of mutes and headphones and special equipment. Right by the entrance, if you look way up high, that's the house points I told you about. For alerts when you get points for how many minutes you practice and the things you do in class. And you can see there's the different scores for the different houses. Drum and fife, brass, low winds. Right now the drum and fife is ahead with 1,500 or 15,000 points, and looks like the reeds are behind them in second place. And this is the house cup. When you win the house cup, if you have the highest points at the end of the quarter, we spin it to your side and you can see it. And that's that we actually put a little engraved plaque saying what year you won the house cup. And again, the fireplace in the entrance. So hopefully this helped you get a really good view of what the band room looks like here at Chisholm Trail. And you get to have band in here every single day next year. Can't wait to see you.